So, this question kept coming into my head. Are we alone in the universe? After researching, I found out about the observable universe. So, the observable universe is nothing but a sphere of everything we can see. If we take Earth or our solar system or the Milky Way as the center, this observable universe right here spans across 46 billion light years. That's a lot. But according to all the research, the observable universe that we can see is just 4% of the universe, the actual universe. So, universe since the Big Bang occurred, the universe has been here since 14 billion years. So, in this 14 billion years, humans, right? They have appeared just 300,000 years ago. So, if we take out three, so what percentage of 14 billion is 300,000? The results will surprise you. It is not even 1%. It's 0.00214285714. So there's a whole 100% left if you do the maths. So out of this whole 100%, even if there are no civilizations now, there must have been a civilization before. At least at least 10 billion years after the creation of the universe. There must have been a civilization back then. It must have fallen for some unknown reasons. This is just an assumption. So it must have been there, it must have fallen, or it must be still continuing. Alright. So there's something called Fermi paradox. So this Fermi paradox states these kind of reasonings. So there are billions of stars in the Milky Way, similar to the Sun. It has a high probability some of the stars have Earth-like planets, which are in the habitable zone. Many of these stars, hence their planets, are much older than our solar system. So civilization may have developed interstellar travel on this. But even after these many evidences, even after these many reasons, there is no convincing evidence that all these have happened. They should have visited us at least once, right? There's no evidence. There are a 45% chance of odds, right? There is a lot of odds. There are a lot of probabilities. Even if you take it in the probability factor, the probability comes up to 45%, which is a lot. Alright, so you must be asking me, hey, space dude, you're telling that there are aliens, right? So by this time, they must have found us, or we must have found them. So why didn't it happen? Either way, let me tell you that there's a catch. You guys might have been expecting aliens like this, this, and this. You guys are totally dead wrong. The aliens I'm talking about are these. So if you take a magnifying glass and look here on Earth, here. If you leave out the big things like elephants, whales, and trees and plants and humans, even us, you look closely, 90%, 99% of the places on Earth are filled with microbes. So these microbes are also considered as life. So even if you find a hint of microbes, even one microbe on any asteroid or a planet or a star or a moon, it is considered as an alien. So the answer to my question, through my research, is life is possible.